next felicitation is for redefining surgical care through robotic precision, and the recipient, Department of Orthopedics and Joint Replacement, Kalinga Hospital Limited.
The Department of Orthopedics and Joint Replacement at Kalinga Hospital, Bhubaneswar is redefining surgical care through robotic precision. With advanced robotic assistance systems, their expert team delivers superior outcomes in joint and spine surgeries, ensuring minimal pain, faster recovery, and shorter hospital stays. Recognized for surgical excellence and technological innovation, Kalinga Hospital stands at the forefront of orthopedic care in Eastern India, restoring mobility, dignity, and quality of life with every successful procedure.